Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to give you all the details of our latest acquisition, a 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 Sunliner Convertible. Of course, that was the top of the line for Ford. The only closer one was the Skyliner, which is a convertible hardtop, but this is actually the one that has the soft top. Beautiful car all the way around. You're going to want to watch this video from start to finish to truly appreciate the quality of this car and all the neat features that it does have. Now, you can click on the link in our description and it'll take you right to our website and all the information on this car, pricing and whatnot. Plus, you'll have access to almost 100 cars and vehicles that we currently have in inventory, ranging from cars in the 1920s all the way up into the 70s and beyond. So if you're looking for your first or your 100th collectible, guess what? Ellingson Motor Cars probably has it. Now that website being www.ellingsunmotorcars.com. Well, let's just get into this really beautiful car, Gulfstream Blue. I mean, it is such a 50s color. It just really stands out. Why don't they put this kind of color in cars today? I think it would really be a good thing to do. The other thing that this car has that, we have to always let you know, it has a little bit later model motor, has a 390, which is a Ford big block, but it also has what they call the 3.2s, the 6-pack, the 6-barrel car, 3 quads, whatever. It's got the Ford setup on there. Really cool. I just tell you, I've very seldom seen those. It wasn't available, of course, in 1958, but it was the tri-power of the day for these guys. And it's really a super cool deal with the motor. Now, the other thing this car has, beautiful options. I mean, a lot of these cars back in the day, they didn't always order power steering, power brakes. They didn't get the fancy radio. They didn't get the fancy wheels. But someone who ever ordered this car in 1958 really knew what they were doing. And they ordered power steering, which is absolutely wonderful on any of these big cars, no matter what. Just easy for parking, everything else, it's great. Also power brakes. Now this one has been upgraded with a dual master system, so it's a little bit more reliable than some of the old stuff that they had back in the day with a single master cylinder. The car is also hooked up behind a Cruise-O-Matic Ford automatic transmission, so anybody can jump in this car and drive it. There's no limitations if they had the 3 on the tree or something that, no one knows how to drive a manual transmission car. Well, this one has all the stuff that makes it very easy. And of course, the top is power. So if you get caught in the rain because you misplanned something, one switch and boom, top goes right up and you're good to go. No, beautiful car all the way around. It was a big change over 58 because, you got the dual headlights, first year for that, a lot more swoopy. They made the front end a little longer. I love the gun sights. I mean, as a kid, one of my favorite things was to shoot all the oncoming cars that were coming down the road when you were sitting in the passenger seat. Just thought that was cool. Jet intake, air, looks like something like that. New grills, everything Ford was really kind of going all out with the new stuff. It was a kind of a tough year in the old automotive industry, to tell the truth. 58 was a little down year, but boy, Ford came out with a really nice car right here. Love the chrome and the anodized stuff down the sides of the car. A lot longer than the year before. You also have the wide whites, which is really another really nice addition on this car with the wire wheels. I tell you, it really sets this car apart. I mean, that just is something that just really neat. Let's take a look at the inside of the car. That is done in a nice vinyl two-tone. Again, it's the Gulfstream colors involved in the door panels, dash, everything is all there. Nice thing that I like is for the fact that it hasn't been messed with. Nobody has actually changed the dash. They haven't done anything. Even has the town and country radio. That was something special back in the day. Now this car is a body off restored car, and it shows very few miles on this car right now. I mean, that's what you do. You set the odometers back to 0 many a times when you do a frame off, body off restored, and that's what this is. Take a look at those underside pictures. You'll see exactly what I'm talking about. No, nice interior, dual exhaust on this thing. The new taillight design that Ford came out with. Lots of new innovations, if you will. Now you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. Appreciate that very much. You'll find all the information on this car, our current inventory, and as an added bonus, you can actually see some of the cars that we've sold over the years as well. So if you got time to cruise the internet, take a look at those sites. You'll always find something interesting and some educational stuff as well. No, I think 58 Fords are one of those kind of sleeper cars. You don't see very many of them. Lots of the other brands out there, but a 58 Ford, really well priced and really unique, if you will. So if you're like me, you're gonna say, man, that's a really pretty car online. I really like the video. I like all the details. You can even give us a call. We'll give you all the information or answer any questions you have. And our phone number is 763-428-7337. But if you're like me, come on down. We'll be more than happy to have you come to Ellingson right here in Rogers, and we'll let you look at the car in person, whatever. And we're open Monday through Friday from 10 to 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you want to come down and look at it in person, I guarantee you, you're going to say, that's really a good looking piece of automobile, if you will. So, you know, you may want to have some help with shipping, say you're from out of state, or you need some helping with financing, whatever. Give us a call as well. We can help you, lead you in directions to some of our vendors that can help you with that stuff as well. Well, I'm a 58 Ford lover. Love the vent windows, love just the overall color, all the gun sights, all that cool stuff on this thing. Come on down, take a look. We appreciate you watching our videos, and we will see you next time at ellingsonmotorcars.com.